Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive into the best products to help you maintain your home and garden. Today, we're talking about the best winter pill for in-ground pools, the SeaKlear AquaPill WinterPill Pool Clarifier and Enzyme. If you're looking to keep your pool water clean, clear, and ready for spring, this product is a game changer. Winterizing your pool doesn't have to be a hassle, and with the SeaKlear AquaPill, it becomes even easier. This all-natural winter pool treatment is designed to slowly release into the water, ensuring your pool stays clear throughout the entire winter season. One pill is all you need to treat pools up to 30,000 gallons, and it works by gradually distributing its powerful formula across the water, reducing debris and keeping the pool chemistry balanced. The best part about this product is its patented delivery system. Unlike other winterizing chemicals that may lose effectiveness over time, the AquaPill releases its formula slowly and evenly, giving you peace of mind that your pool is protected all winter long. It works especially well for pools with mesh covers, making it a reliable choice for those with different types of pool setups. Not only does it maintain water clarity, but it also helps preserve the condition of your pool surfaces, preventing any damage from debris buildup or improper chemical levels. It's also safe for all pool types, and it won't disrupt your existing pool chemistry, which means you can use it alongside other pool treatments without any worries. The SeaKlear AquaPill is incredibly easy to use. Simply poke a hole in the pill's casing using the included push pin or hole punch tool, and toss it into your pool before closing it for the season. It will do the rest. No need to worry about cloudy or green water when you open your pool in the spring. The AquaPill ensures that your pool stays crystal clear, so you can jump right back in when the weather warms up. If you're someone who wants to avoid the tedious process of opening a murky pool, the SeaKlear AquaPill is the perfect solution. It's also compatible with other pool solutions, so you don't have to worry about any negative interactions with other products you may be using. Plus, it's safe for all pool surfaces, which means you can trust it not to cause any harm to your pool's material. So, whether you're closing up your in-ground pool for the winter or simply looking to maintain its cleanliness over the off-season, the SeaKlear AquaPill WinterPill Pool Clarifier and Enzyme is your ultimate winterizing solution. It's easy, effective, and reliable. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and be sure to subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the best products for your home and garden.